What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Matthew here, and welcome to Turner Gaming Studios. Today we're not playing a game, but I'm here to tell my fans and all of y'all that like watching the things that I do that I will be out for a couple days. Why? Because we are about to make a serious computer upgrade. Now, upgrade I'm gonna make is to get out of this junky pre-built iBuyPower, and I've already added a couple different random things myself. I don't want to give off too many details, but let's see here. Let me show you what I'm working with right now. It just fell into my hand. This is my computer. Like I said, it's an iBuyPower. I got a 2070 Super GPU, and get in there. I got my anglerfish hanging out and my seahorse hanging out in the bottom. Got some RGB fans, but I'm switching those out. Y'all will see. With a Corsair Dominator RAM 3200, and yeah, just remember what you see now. We are about to hit a huge, big upgrade, guys. Big upgrade. And so yeah, there is my computer, and I will definitely make an update video on what it will look like when it's done. I appreciate y'all's time, and have a good night. See ya.